What is up, my flops? Today's video I'll show you how to add sound effects to your CapCut edit without extracting audio since CapCut Greedy as decides to make extracting audio pro. First step is to press the audio option at the bottom. Press the sound option. Now press the file icon. Then go to device. Here you have access to your audio file. Pause. Make sure you have .and MP3 file of the sound effect you're gonna use. After you open your file, pick the sound effect you want to use and press the add option. Now your sound effect is added, align it how you want it and you're done.